Hello guys, as you know I don't only have like Excel esports stuff or challenges on my channel, I also mix in some educational content, and today is such a day because I want to talk about emptiness in Excel. So if you see those cells here, what do you expect to be in there? They seems like they have nothing in it, but let's now check with Lang if there is something in it. And it seems like for some of the cells there's at least something with the space 1 in it, but not in all of them. And if you know there is functions, you know that there is a ISBLANK function, and the ISBLANK function returns true if there is nothing in there, so if the cell is blank. So let's use ISBLANK. It can also spill arrays, drag it down, I think, until here. And you see here, oh, all those cells are actually not blank. There's something in it even with the cell where the length is 0. That's odd. And if you take a look here, only the first cell is actually empty. In the second cell, there's a single space in it. In the third cell is so-called zero white space. I could also do here Ctrl C, Ctrl V. It would have the same impact. Here also a equal sign with nothing in it, and here a line break. So all those stuff leads that ISBLANK is returning a true even if there is basically nothing in it, because Excel is handling those stuff as content even though it is not actually content. And therefore I have a Lambda for this. As you know, I love Lambdas, and I started this because I did not like the naming of ISBLANK, because for me it's more empty. I'm not a native speaker, so it was more or less empty to me, and therefore I've created a Lambda. And after a LinkedIn post by another guy, I created this Lambda after his inspiration, because my Lambda can also handle all those stuff and returning empty. So true, because it's actually empty. So if I type in is empty, it can also handle those ranges. You see here, my Lambda is returning true. If you want to have this Lambda, I will link another video in the video description and up above, so you can get all my Lambdas. And yeah, I hope you've learned something. Watch out if you use ISBLANK for such stuff. Even though the cell appears empty, it is not empty. And yeah, hope to see you on my channel in other videos. Bye.